Hello, this is Jimmy here. I'm going to be going over Geo Proximity Trial 3A and some changes that we'll be, or some new additions that we'll be working on in Trial 3B. So, we explained in depth of each of the, what each file does, geo.py, users.py, and mysockets.py, and how they work together. So let's dive in first. Let me run the code and I'll explain to you what is going on step by step briefly. So I'm going to run geo.py and it is waiting for a client to connect and send a connection request, and then they'll accept and go through the standard socket handshake. In Trial 3B, we're also going to create a security system that only someone with an account is able to connect to the server and no one else. And we'll be also accessing the database. We'll be creating a database, Postgres SQL, and we'll be doing a lot of the work from there. So let's run second one. Here we are. This is some IP address work. I'll be adding this into trial 3B, because if you were to report someone that went missing or you found someone, then it will just automatically retrieve your IP address and your location. But of course, the user will approve of it. And then, as you notice, geo.py is still running. It hasn't ended, and the command line hasn't returned yet. That is because I made the code in a way that the server can take on multiple consecutive clients. So if one gets the data, then it'll disconnect. Then another user can come in and retrieve the data, and so on and so forth. So just to prove it, ran again, and the data transaction went flawlessly. So here's my file system. Originally I had removed mymap1.html, but because the code was running, it opened it up, created a new file. So I'm gonna click on it, and here we are. So here is the Folia map with the geoproximity operations on it. Here's the geoproximity circle. This is how far you can go in how long? Let's see, 45 minutes from Stonehill Middle School. So if I were to zoom in, yep, that's Stonehill Middle School. And that's it. Thanks for listening.